Hey Sunshines, how are you? I wanted to do another activity with you today and show your parents how to make some sensory or discovery bottles, which are really cool to do. Helps with the fine motor skills yet again. I started a glitter one here. These are just small drink bottles. I've put tape on them so that if you want your child to help you fill them up, you can talk about measurement being half full. I've done the same here, and I filled them half full of water. I went ahead and started with the glitter in this one. So let's do the glitter bottle first. Okay, I started with just water and glitter. So now what I'm going to do is I have made a little homemade uh, funnel because I couldn't find one. So I just rolled up a piece of paper, taped it, and made my own funnel. Make sure you don't let it go. If you do, you might not get it back. It might be in your bottle forever. I'm gonna add a little more blue. I've added some green. Now, what you want to do here is you want to securely twist that on. Shake, 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 shake. Now, for this part, I've got just a little plastic cup that's bendable that I found around here, and I would let my child, if you have a funnel, that would be awesome. Like I said, I have funnels. I just can't locate them right this minute. But this is good practicing with dipping, pouring, squeezing. Very good for them. You're going to fill this all but about that. I have my hot glue gun. I'm going to glue this top on. Dry it out first before you glue. Then you have a nice, awesome glitter bottle. Alright? The next one that I want to do is the larger one. And this is going to be an I Spy bottle. And what I've done is my son was obsessed with Legos, which make perfect sized objects for a discovery bottle. You can either have your child to count them. You could also use the 10 frame that we made earlier and help them count, which could help them count by 5s or 10s. But I would have them put the objects in the bottle. If it'll fit, put it in there. So we're going to put, right now, see, I don't know if he'll fit. Yes, he did. So, I hope everybody is enjoying the videos, and I hope that you're finding them helpful and useful. It'll take me just a few seconds, but if you can see, I'm putting all of these different objects in. He won't fit. Now, when I get finished putting these in, then I'm going to add some mineral oil. You can use baby oil, cooking oil, coconut oil, any kind of liquid oil that you can find. I just happen to have mineral oil here. Some of my objects won't fit. That's okay though. I still can't get it in. I have some beads right here. I'm going to get several of those of different colors to put in. That way, kids can find the different colors. It's nice if you, and I had these beads here, something I had done with a craft or something, and I didn't go out and buy them special, so you can use any objects that you can find lying around your house. Very simple, very easy. Except when you drop them like I just did. So, alright, now I've got all of my objects that I want in my jar. So, I'm going to take my mineral oil. And you remember those medicine cups I told you about that are very flexible? I'm going to pour some mineral oil in it. I'm going to pour a couple little cups of it in. And all the oil is really doing is slowing down the process. So slowing down the motion of the object to make it more fluid. So we're going to put some more water in it. You're going to fill it up to about the same amount as you did on the other one. I'm using the same dipper. All of these items were free. You can find a lot of these things if you don't have them at the Dollar Tree. I have put, you'll see I put wax paper down, and I'm holding it down with painter's tape. I told you earlier I loved painter's tape, and I do. Now I'm going to I will glue this on, and now you have a discovery bottle that you can take with you places. It's quiet, but it can keep a child entertained for hours finding the different objects. And this one, I think I might put a little more mineral oil in it. I want them to slide a little bit slower. So you just have to kind of play with the combination. The last one I want to do with you is just a color changing one. I'm just going to use mineral oil and water and food coloring. So, let's do blue. I wouldn't do many drops to begin with because sometimes it's really dark. Oh, look how cool that is. And you can talk to your child about how that dye is heavier than the oil and the water, so it sinks to the bottom. The oil is the lightest, it stays on the top, and then in the middle is the water. But watch what happens when you start doing that. Now, later on when we come back, it'll be separated. Later on when we come back, it'll be separated again. So there's 3 different ideas that you can use for sensory bottles. Check on Facebook, and I'm going to post why sensory bottles or how they can be beneficial to brain development in young children. Thanks.